So recently, we got a new surprise in my little town, and when I was walking into Fred Meyer the other day, I noticed that we had a Pokemon Center vending machine. So, I was like, oh boy, I gotta try and get one of these. So I did some shopping and grabbed some hard seltzer to cheers to the Pokemon gods with. I went on, chose on nectar flavor, which was pretty good stuff right there. Then I went to pay. After paying, it was time to visit the vending machine, and I kinda had an idea of what I wanted. I was gonna go with the Paldean Fates ETB, because me and my friends were wondering if the stuff we got out of this was actually Pokemon Center stuff, but it turns out it wasn't. So I found the Crown Zenith trainer box instead, and ended up buying that. So after waiting a little bit to grab my Crown Zenith ETB and realizing that, yeah, in fact, it was not Pokemon Center, I did a little investigation of it and grabbed my seltzer and headed out to the car. So after leaving the store, I arrived at the studio just to make another video of me opening this stuff, and my good friends Angelina and Skylar are over there. I'm gonna say hello. And there's my little studio set where I make my Pokemon videos. And you'll notice that I have a Surging Sparks Pokemon Center ETB there as well to be my little camera stand there for the day. So, you know, little light flex there. So here's where I open it up and grab the packs out of it and stuff like that. So go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video of me opening them. I definitely got some wonderful pulls in there. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video, and be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment of what you want to see me open next. Thanks, have a good one. Bye.